Welcome to our video guide series on using Tyntec connectors on Microsoft Power Automate. In this video, we'll go over the most commonly asked questions from Tyntec's Power Automate connector users who are using the WhatsApp channel. Let's start now. Power Automate will display the flow error during testing if you run into issues when creating a flow. While you're testing the flow, this feature enables you to find the error. As you can see, Power Automate always displays the error code and an explanation of the error, along with the step in the flow where the error occurred. This will help you determine roughly where the error is. Let's take a look at some common errors that our users experienced in Power Automate. What you are going to see is an unauthorized error. This typically occurs when you attempt to use a flow with an incorrect Tyntec API key. Power Automate will automatically attempt to establish a connection and test the validity of your API key. In this situation, you need to make sure that you are using the correct API key provided by Tyntec in the Power Automate environment. If needed, you can create a new API key in the Tyntec Business Center. A 403 forbidden error is another common error. When you attempt to use a WhatsApp business number that isn't linked to your account, you'll get this error. In this situation, you must confirm that the WhatsApp business number you entered as the message sender is actually the one that is linked to your Tyntec API key. You can always verify the WhatsApp business numbers linked to your Tyntec account in the Tyntec Business Center. The 400 error is the most common error reported by Tyntec's connector users in Power Automate. This situation arises when the form you've entered is invalid. The issue may stem from a single incorrect parameter or a combination of several incorrect parameters. Let's take a closer look at the individual parameters for the most commonly used connector. Send WhatsApp template text message. For the sender and recipient, always make sure you use the correct phone number format, including the phone area code. For optimal results, we recommend avoiding using the plus sign before the country code and consistently applying the same format whenever you enter a phone number in the flow. Always use the proper language code for template language that is associated with your Meta-approved WhatsApp business template. A list of all language codes can be found on Meta's official website. The template ID parameter specifies the name of the template to use. Your template ID specifies the format of the message that will be sent to the user. You cannot send a WhatsApp template message without an approved template ID and the exact name used for the approved template. So please make sure you use the correct name for your template. It's crucial that you always use a message format that is appropriate for type parameters and corresponds to the name of the connector you are currently using. The type will always be text in this instance because we are using a text message template. Make sure to select the appropriate type when filling out the Power Automate form if you use other connectors with different file types. This is a list of the most frequently reported errors in the Power Automate environment. If you continue to experience the same or different issues, take a look at the technical documentation on our website.